Good morning, guys. Very high cloud this morning. Damp grass. 3 Celsius, nearly 38 Fahrenheit. Nearly 4 Celsius, nearly 39 Fahrenheit. 1.7 Celsius. Smiley face porridge. Tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. A blind Dalek. They're not terribly happy. I think they're running down on power. They're both on the potatoes now. 8:45. 1st of February. Good morning, guys. Dull and grey this morning. And damp. A little bit of moisture in the air. 10 Celsius, 50 Fahrenheit. Smiley face porridge. Tea. Muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries, insectoid, and a couple of Daleks. Temperature seems to be making quite a difference with these two now. 8:25. Good morning, guys. Another dull grey morning. Damp floor. It's not actually raining. Oh, I don't know, it might be. Just over 11 Celsius, 52 Fahrenheit. Smiley face porridge, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. Took that one apart last night to check the gear ratios. These guys are moving, but they're slow. Nearly 8:45. Good morning, guys. Grey, damp. Little bit windy. Just over 11 Celsius, 52 Fahrenheit. Smiley face porridge, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries, foam glider. And they're going really well this morning. 8:30. Good morning, guys. Another grey morning. Doesn't feel like it rained overnight. 10 Celsius, 50 Fahrenheit. Smiley face porridge, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. I stripped down a whole load of vapes last night. These guys are going fine. I pulled their electrodes out and put them back in again in new holes. So they got fresh potato that they're sticking into. 8:25. Good morning, guys. Another grey morning. Grass is wet. Rained in the night. Not raining at the moment. Just over 11 Celsius, 52 Fahrenheit. Smiley face porridge, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. A couple of pigs. They're happy. 8:25. Good morning, guys. A grey morning. A little bit of sun sort of peeking under the clouds over there. Grass is wet. Rained very hard last night. Nearly 7 Celsius, 44 Fahrenheit. Smiley face porridge, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries, apple powered witch, potato powered snowman. Gone 10:09. Good morning, guys. Raining. Make this quick. Seven Celsius, 44 Fahrenheit. Smiley face porridge, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries, apple powered witch, potato powered snowman. Nearly 8:15. Good morning, guys. Raining a little bit this morning. Very wet underfoot. Just over 11 Celsius, 52 Fahrenheit. Did I get that wrong yesterday? Don't remember. Smiley face porridge, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries, lemon powered pulse motor, only lasted about an hour last night. Retired the apple battery, we're back on the potato, that's still running fine. Nearly 9:15. Good morning guys, we got some blue sky up there and some light clouds. Ground's absolutely soaking wet. Must have had plenty of rain in the night. 7 Celsius, 44 Fahrenheit. Smiley face porridge, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries, solar powered toothbrush. They're still happy on the potato battery. 8:25, nearly 8:30. Good morning guys. Another grey damp start to the day. Very wet out here again. (8 Celsius, 46 Fahrenheit. Smiley face porridge, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. Nanny turned that one round because it was making too much noise. Those guys had slowed down again. 8:15. Good morning guys. Clear blue sky. Bit early so the sun's not up yet. But looking good. (3°C), about 37 Fahrenheit. Smiley face porridge, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. Tried recharging those potato batteries, not much success. Left those ones alone, they're okay. Just gone 7:50. Morning guys. Raining this morning. (7 Celsius, 44 Fahrenheit. Smiley face porridge, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. They're going okay. I reseated the electrodes on the banana battery, so the clock's going okay again. Potato powered pulse motor runs for about 10 minutes. I've just started it. 8:25. Happy Valentine's Day guys. A grey damp morning. Nearly 14 Celsius, 56 Fahrenheit. A heart, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. A rose. Those guys are going. Just gave that little push to get it going. 8:30. Good morning guys, another dull grey morning. Not actually raining yet. (14 Celsius, 56 Fahrenheit. Smiley face porridge, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries, rubber band powered boat and rubber band powered cup. Had to give them a bit of a boost to get them going this morning. That one's dead. 8:25. Good morning guys. Grey up there. Although you can see underneath the clouds there, the sun's trying to come out. Very wet. Just over 10 Celsius, 50 Fahrenheit. Smiley face porridge, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. Rubber band powered boat worked. Daffodil. They're working fine. I just gave that a push to get it going. 8:30. Good morning, guys. There's almost blue sky over there, and the sun peeking out just above the clouds there. It's damp. It's not cold. About 12 Celsius, nearly 54 Fahrenheit. Smiley face porridge, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. Did some work on my daughter's television. Just about moving. 8:25. Good morning, guys. A grey morning. Grass is very wet. Daffodils are out. Nearly 12 Celsius, 53 Fahrenheit. Smiley face porridge, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. Daffodils. Did some work on the microscope with the air duster. Gave them a boost. Banana clock still working. Gave that a little push. 8:30. Good morning, guys. A little bit damp in the air this morning. Very wet underfoot. 11 Celsius, 51 Fahrenheit. Smiley face porridge, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. A wooden tram and a rubber band powered fly swat. They're happy. Banana powered clock still working. That one's dead. Nearly 8:55. Good morning, guys. Another grey morning. Not actually raining. Got builders working next door. Just over 10 Celsius, 50 Fahrenheit. Smiley face porridge, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. Another kite and some popsicle sticks. Had to give them a bit of a boost this morning. Clock still working. Gave that a poke and that's going. 8:50. Morning, guys. Raining. Make this quick. Daffodils look nice. 11 Celsius, 51 Fahrenheit. Smiley face porridge, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. Charity shop stuff. Those guys are going. Clock's working. Running late, 9:05. Good morning, guys. Raining again. Very wet underfoot. About 8 Celsius, 46 Fahrenheit. Smiley face porridge, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. 6-in-1 solar kit. They're going. Clock's going. Nearly 8:20. Good morning, guys. It's not actually raining at the moment. It was, and I think it will. And it is very wet. Six Celsius, 43 Fahrenheit. Smiley face porridge, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. Foam dinosaur. I think they're slowing down again. Clock's working. 9:15. Good morning guys, grey morning, just spotting with rain, very wet on the floor. (4°C, 40 Fahrenheit). Smiley face porridge, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries. I was hoping for a sunny morning to demonstrate that. He's happy again, he had a loose connection. And she is running off a pineapple. Time lapse. Gone 10 to 9. Good morning guys. We have some sunshine. It's cold, there was some frost up on the roofs. Just over 5°C, 42 Fahrenheit. Smiley face porridge, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries, charity shop stuff. He's still going, clock's still going, she's still going. 8:45. Good morning guys. Look, a bit of blue sky. Not that way though. 6.5°C, nearly 44 Fahrenheit. Smiley face porridge, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries, rubber powered paddle boats. He's going okay. Banana powered clock's going okay. Pineapple powered witch is going okay. Nearly 20 to 9. Good morning guys. Cold and frosty this morning. (2°C, 36 Fahrenheit). Smiley face porridge, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries, crocodile. Clock's still working, he's still working, she's still working. Just gone 8 o'clock. Good morning guys. A grey, damp morning this morning. Very wet out here. (8°C, 46 Fahrenheit). Smiley face porridge, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries, toroidal propeller on my airboat. Tidied up the corner there. Clock's working, snowman's working, witch is working. Nearly 20 to 9. Morning guys, raining. Let's get out here quick. (10°C, 50 Fahrenheit). Smiley face porridge, tea, muesli, grapes, raspberries, blueberries, pigeon on the bird table. Clock's working, date's wrong, leap year. Potato snowman's working, pineapple witch is working. 20 to 9, 29th of February. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.